Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
Hi, I'm Jen Tackney.
And we're TeamTackney. And this is 3 reasons why not to wait to buy a home in 2022. Reason number 1.
What's that reason, Jeff?
Reason number 1 is prices are expected to rise between 8 and 10%. That means by the end of 2022, a $700,000 home is going to be $770,000, or $1 million home is going to be $1.1 million.
Wow.
Yep. So that's reason number 1. Prices are still going to rise in 2022. Reason number 2, interest rates are also going to rise. By the end of 2022, the expected average interest rate is going to be somewhere right around 3.25%, 3.5 to 3.25%. Some economists even sniffing around 4%. So not only are home prices going to rise, interest rates are due to rise as well.
I have a question.
Yes.
Do you remember what your PAR A paper, so PAR A paper is the best interest rate you can get. That's the terminology in the industry. PAR rate, A paper, what that rate was when you purchased your first home in 2006. Do you remember what the rate was?
6.5%.
Yes, 6.625.
Yep.
So even though, because yes, you should buy right now, we're actually looking at investment properties and purchasing for ourselves too. So we're not giving you advice that we are not following. But there is, we're 4%. Oh my gosh. And not that long ago, in 2006, we were at 6.5 as the PAR rate. And before that, it was 8 and 12, which I don't think we'll ever see those numbers again. We can.
Well, that depends, because have an inflationary rate that's somewhere around 40%. So
yeah,
to curb inflation.
Make me cry.
Yeah. But that's a subject for a
Whole nother
whole
video.
different economics course. So reason number 3.
Our different 3s.
Reason number 3, not to wait, is inventory. Inventory is expected to climb, but right now there's 1,100 homes in Orange County, California available for sale. And that's from a price point from $400,000 to probably $40 million. All across the board, Orange County, California, only 1,100 homes. That's expected to rise, but that's not going to quadruple to the point where it's a maintainable number. It's going to rise, but not to the degree where it's going to affect pricing in a negative manner. So,
but with the inventory, it's a nationwide issue. It's not just Orange County, California. It's the entire nation. There's one state, Idaho, I think, where they actually have more inventory.
More inventory this year than they did last year.
Yeah, only one state.
Yep.
So,
and to recap the 3 reasons why not to wait to buy a home in 2022. Reason number 1, home prices are going to continue to rise somewhere between 8 and 10%. Reason number 2, mortgage rates are also going to rise somewhere to the 3.5 to 3.75, possibly even 4%. And reason number 3, inventory is going to still remain historically low.
thanks for watching our video on 3 reasons why not to wait to buy a house in 2022. If you would like any more information, please feel free to reach out to us, and also make a comment below, subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.